Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to start this video with a gratitude to all of those who are watching this video. So now we are 100 plus subscribers and hoping a great future for this channel. So I want to express gratitude for each and every person for supporting me and being so kind, and thank you for loving me and my channel. uh, I would request that whatever suggestion, if you have any, do comment and let me know. I would definitely try to sort out the things and get the things as you want, if possible. Okay, so thank you everyone. So today you have uh, three options kept before you. So today I bought a pick a card reading with regard to your past, present, and future. I will be taking out one advice card for each pile, and I would request to select the pile according to your intuition. Do not use your mind. Whatever deck you are attracted to, whatever options you are attracted to, please go with the same. Maybe your intuition is guiding you, or maybe you are attracted towards a particular option. Yes, that option is for you. So let's move on with the reading. We will be starting with pile 1. Hey pile 1, this is for you. Yes, you are destined to listen this. So let's move on with your reading. Let us see what we have for your past, present, future, and advice card for you. Let us see. So I have shuffled the deck for you and will be picking up 4 cards out of this deck. Okay. So this card represents your past, this is your present, this is your future, and this is your advice card. So right now what I can see for you, that in the past maybe you have entered a new relationship. Maybe things in the past were very emotional for you. You may have achieved some sort of accomplishment with regards to your emotion in the past. Yes, your past was very beautiful and very fulfilling emotionally, and I can see abundance and growth for the same. And right now what is happening is, according to the Hierophant, it is very much possible for those who are in career. You may be opting for a higher education. I would suggest you need to get an advice for your uh, from your counselor in regard to your problems whichever you are facing, because the Hierophant is giving me the indication definitely you need a proper advice from a proper counselor to the relative field which you are confused. Okay, so I would suggest, yes, you need to see your counselor if you have any question presently which is disturbing you right now. If you do so, you will find out a way out of the situation or the problem which you are in. Okay, and if you do so, yes, your coming future is going to be very great and beautiful. And the advice card for you, the King of Cups, is showing you that don't be too emotional. Try to have a proper balance between your family life and your career. Don't neglect anyone or take any one of the options for granted. And related to the love life, I can see in past maybe your relations were very beautiful. Right now some sort of problem might have happened. All you need to do is try to have a reconciliation, try to get things sorted. Maybe you can have a communication with the person for getting things sorted. If not possible, uh, I can see a middle person, your well-wishers, coming and playing a mediator role and trying to reconcile between the two partners, and definitely that is going to uh, be very fruitful for the coming future, because 10 of cups is a promise. Yes, your relationship is going to patch up, and a beautiful healing is going to happen, and everything will be just perfect for you. All you need to do is, again, king of cups is giving me a direction. You have to don't do not be emotionally driven. Okay, use your intellect in taking your decisions, because it is very much possible, because of too much emotion. You are very much emotional, pile one. So don't be driven by your emotions. Take your decision according to your intellect too. Use your intellect while taking any decision. Be wise with your judgment or whatever decision you are taking. So pile one, this was the message for you. If this resonated you, please let me know, and we'll meet you in the next reading. Okay, so pile 2, we have the reading for you. So let us draw a few cards for you. Let us see what are the message for you. Okay. Okay. Pile 2, yes, for you, I can see there may be some sort of struggle in the past. Maybe you have some sort of quarrel with your uh, colleagues or your loved ones in the past. I can see you are very aggressive. You are very fiery in nature. I would suggest you, pile 2, have control in your anger, because you often get angry. Okay, so I would suggest you have control in your energy, because it may it usually happens that you lose your temper and you hurt the people unintentionally or unknowingly very much. Okay, so pile 2, yes, in the past, whatever happened, you must forget it. Whatever hurt, whatever feeling you were having, you must forget it, and for sure you should move on. You should try to get out of that thought, negative thought. Okay, because I am getting you should move on, away from that thought which was troubling you, your past memory, your troubling memories. You should forget all that. You should start your life with a fresh starting and beautiful positive energy. What I am getting right now, it is very important for you to move out of the negative thoughts which you are in. Whatever thoughts are troubling you, try to get out of that and start your life with the fresh start, improving the situation by finding a solution. What I am getting, and if you do so, there is a beautiful future for you, because things are getting sorted for you. Everything will happen according to your desire, and things will be just the same as you are going to like. Okay, so all you need to do is that you need to control your energy. Okay, and the suggestion card is that uh, try to control your words. If you are getting angry, or maybe something is troubling your mind, try to meditate. Try to find a isolated place where you can meditate properly. Try to analyze your thoughts and try to get out of the negative ones. Okay, try to change your negative energies into the positive. You can surely do this by practicing daily meditation, yoga, and pranayama. The King of Wands shows a promising future for you, and all you need to do is you need to take action. And if you do so, there is a lot of growth coming in near future for you. In regard to the relationship, if anything wrong had happened between both of you in your relationship, and it is not getting sorted, try to get the things uh, sorted. If it is not happening, so try to give it a time. Try to relax. Try to let the time heal that misunderstanding, whatever happened. and for sure there is a transition going to come in your life which will be for your betterment, because King of Wands is showing yes, the things are going to be under your control. You will be able to control your life beautifully and will be able to achieve whatever you want to. Only you need to do that, you need to get out of the negative thoughts by meditating. And if possible, if you are liking to be uh, in if you need isolation, you should try for it. Try to be more of positive, because I can see that by thinking deeply to the subject which is troubling you, you will surely get the solution out of it. You need not think negatively, you should think as if you have to find out the solution of that problem. Okay, so pile 2, those who are resonating to this pile, please do let me know through your comments. And thank you for watching and being so patient, and hoping that you like this video. So pile 2 will we will be meeting in the next video. Hello pile 3, those who have selected this crystal, yes, this reading is for you. Let us see what the cards say. So I have shuffled your deck, and let us draw 4 cards from the deck. So let us see what are the cards. Okay. Okay, pile 3, what I can see that some insecurity is there in pile 3 regarding some relationship, what I can see. And for some of you, it is for career. So I would suggest you that you are thinking a lot. You are thinking a lot right now, and in the past, you have maybe wasted your time thinking a lot without doing or taking action for the problems, because I can see the four of wands four of sorry pentacles is showing that you are somewhat insecure with something. Okay, so things are not getting sorted just because you are sitting idle and thinking about your problem continuously without finding out a solution. Okay, so presently what I can see, yes, there is a help coming for you in present time, maybe in coming days. You should try to accept it. Don't take it to your ego, because it is very much possible maybe you don't like taking help. Okay, so I would suggest you should take the help who are trying to help you, because 6 of cups is showing me yes, the person whoever is coming for your help, for your rescue to the situation, yes, the person is very caring, very loving towards you, emotionally attached towards you. Okay, so if you are taking that person's help, it is very much possible the person may be your spirit guides. Maybe you are having a divine guidance. Somewhere you are receiving a message. Maybe you are receiving a feather, which is a confirmation that angels are present around you. So they are motivating you to be more of optimistic and try to get the solution to the problem, because the answer is within you. And it is very much possible that if it is a person, he will be approaching you, he will be coming for your rescue. Okay, and you should take that person's help. For sure you will come out of the situation. And I can see there is a new start coming for you in future. So page of pentacles is showing yes, the things are going to be very much vibrant, promising growth for you in future. And the suggestion card is showing 3 of wands, that you need to take action, you need to implement whatever decision you are taking, and in the process whatever learning are coming, you need to learn from that and try to correct that. Okay, for sure there is a growth coming for you in the near future. Okay, You need to accept the help for whatever person is coming or approaching you. Okay, and try to take action. Sitting idle will not let you anywhere. If you are taking action, definitely you will come out of this problem for sure, and things are going to be pretty well soon. So pile 3, if this pile resonated you, please let me know, and we'll meet you in the next reading. Thank you, pile 3. Stay safe, stay protected, and thank you everyone.